Are you worried you may purchase a property with more problems than you realize? Talking about spotting those potential issues during the home tour. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or seasoned investor, it's essential to look out for those red flags to spot those underlying issues. Let's dive in. As you approach the property, take a good look at the exterior. You're going to want to look for signs of wear and tear like cracked or damaged siding, any issues with the roof like missing shingles or sagging areas, or any signs of water damage and rot. These can be indicators of larger structural issues. Once inside, pay close attention to the foundation and the structure of the home. Look out for uneven floors, cracks in walls and ceilings, doors that stick or don't close properly. These could all be signs of foundation issues. These can get costly, so it's important to address them early on. Next, take a closer look at plumbing and electrical systems. Check for leaks, water stains, or corroded pipes under sinks and around fixtures. Test outlets, light switches, and appliances to ensure they work properly. Faulty wiring and outdated plumbing can pose safety hazards and can get costly when repairing. Keep an eye out for signs of neglect and deferred maintenance. Peeling paint, mold and mildew growth, and musty odors often indicate issues with moisture or ventilation. Be wary of properties with overgrown landscaping or neglected exteriors, as this often shows sign of lack of upkeep. Finally, be cautious of any structural modifications or additions made to the property. Improperly installed additions, DIY renovations, or unpermitted work can lead to code violations and safety concerns. Always ask the seller for documentation for any alterations made to the property. Remember, spotting potential issues during a home tour is crucial to making an informed decision. If you spot any red flags, be sure to ask questions or seek guidance from a qualified inspector or real estate professional. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and insights on the home buying and selling process. If you have more questions about finding these red flags, all you gotta do is go for Jerry.